Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 21st, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the dollar Swiss, I'm still looking at this as a WXY possibly, and if that's true, then this would be an A, this would be a B, and we would probably start another impulsive move up, taking out these highs for a wave C of wave Y, likely before we turn down and hit that weekly time frame 78% Fibonacci retracement level. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. I have my Fibonacci retracement on here because technically we have not broken structure to the upside. This break of structure right here with momentum is what would prove to me that this really is starting a big move to the upside. Until that happens, we do have to realize that if this does break to the downside at a Fibonacci level, that it could still be an ABC and it still could push down again. But for me personally, I think it's more likely that it is, maybe going to bounce a little bit, but I think it's more likely eventually, maybe today or tomorrow, going to give us this break of structure which should confirm that bigger move to the upside like I was showing on the daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.